going to be making brown sugar chili chicken thighs with roasted potato salad. And I'm going to be starting with chopping up the potatoes.
And I'm going to be slicing the dill and the bell pepper. I'll be shucking and cutting the corn off the cob, and then I will take care of the scallions. So I have shucked the first one, and I'm on the second one. So this is pretty gross at the top, but the rest of the bottom of the corn looks a lot better than last time. If you saw our last video, you would have seen that the corn wasn't great. And this one looks a lot better than last time, but this top is pretty rotten and gross.
Both of these peppers look pretty good. I'm just being careful because it's a pretty sharp knife. So I'm just making sure that I take out all of these things because you don't really want to eat them, and you want to take all the seeds out.
So the potatoes are looking great. As far as we can tell, I'm just scrubbing off the dirt. I've washed them with water, and I'm going to cut them up.
Now I am cutting up the scallions. I'm trying to cut them as evenly as possible.
I'm still cutting the pepper. It's looking really good. And then I'll start with the dill after I'm done with the peppers.
And I'm trying to get the same size as the pepper with the potatoes. So we cut this into like a strip, and then cut it. And to say this is about the same size as this, right? Yeah.
So I am going to be searing the chicken, and for 4 people, I think this is a really good size portion. It says that I need to cook the chicken in a 12-inch oven-safe pan. I'm going to guess this is not 12 inches because I'm not going to fit most of this in here, so I'm trying to decide if I want to do this here and then get some sort of cookie sheet or something like that. I also have another pan that I can put in at the same time, so we'll see.
So I just finished cutting the pepper, which means that I'm going to put this somewhere. I'm going to grab another cutting board for cutting the dill.
So I'm about to finish cutting the scallions. So I tried to make them as even as possible so that they all, cook the same. I am pouring 1/4 cup of olive oil for the rub. There is spice mix and brown sugar, and then I'm adding 2 of the 4 mustard packets.
I am stemming the dill.
It's looking good. A few of them are browned. I'm just supposed to brown them on each side, starting skin down. Some of these don't really have skin, so we'll just kind of go with the side that the skin was supposed to be on. Call it a day. And then the ones that, oh, hello skin. The ones that are done, I'm putting over here for room. So I am spreading half of the chili rub onto the tops of the chicken, and then I'm turning it over to do the other side. So this is the chili rub. It's brown sugar and a spice mix and olive oil, and it's a little tough because it's separated and clumped. So I'm kind of taking a little bit of the solids on and putting it on first, and then I'm pouring some of the oil over it and just trying to get it to mix together and trying to get all the brown sugar over all of the chicken. And I think with the amount of chicken that we have, I'll see if I can fit it all in that pan, but if not, I'm just going to cook it on this baking sheet in the oven at 450.
So I'm now dumping the potatoes in the pan, and then Emmy will dump the olive oil in the pan. Make sure that it's spread equally apart.
Yeah, and then it says to mix them in, so. And then we need salt and pepper, I believe.
And I'm just guesstimating on the salt and the pepper.
What you think feels right?
Yep. All right, so the next step is putting both the chicken and the vegetables in a 450-degree oven for 18 minutes.
Oh, so they cook at the same time too.
They do. That's why the chicken was sitting out waiting for the other stuff, so it'll finish at the same time, because nobody likes to have cold food waiting.
So right now we are going to start the sauce for the potato salad. So first we start with the mayonnaise.
And while she's adding the mayonnaise, I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar.
And so then you put all the mayonnaise in. I'm just using a spoon because I think it's a little bit easier instead of playing with things on the bowl. Then we do the mustards. So now I'm mixing it all together. I think I'm good with just a spoon. And so I'm just gonna mix it until it's smoother. And then I'll let it sit until the vegetables and the chicken are out of the oven. So we just put the dill and the scallions in, and I'm just gonna mix it all together. It seems like a lot of dill and scallions, but it says all of it, so we're going with that.
I'm going to be checking the chicken in the oven along with the vegetables. They've been in there for 18 minutes. So I did manage to cram it all into the one pan. So I'm going to check those first. They're supposed to not be pink anymore. So I just took the chicken out of the oven. It was in there for 18 minutes. I did not check it because the directions did not say to check it. It looks good. Just for kicks, I'm gonna cut into it and see if it's done. But for my safety, because this thing is screaming hot, I'm gonna do that. All right. So let's cut in and see. And I'm gonna pick like the biggest one that I can. Here, we'll do this one. All right. The chicken is just a little bit pink right by the bone. I don't think it's gonna do anybody any harm to put it back into the oven for a couple minutes. Put the chicken back in for 4 minutes. And now I am checking on the potato salad. Again, it said put it in for 18 minutes, but it didn't ask me to check on it or flip it. So it's looking charred on the bottom, but not, you know, not brown on the top. I'm a huge fan of eating stuff that's blackened and charred. I don't know if it's particularly good for us. So I'll try as much as I can to get around the really, really dark stuff. So I'm gonna add the potato salad to the sauce. Again, as you can see, there's some pretty blackened stuff on it.
So now I'm gonna start stirring the potato salad in with the sauce while Mom grabs the chicken out of the oven. See how it is.
Oh, that's really heavy. All right, I'm gonna call it. I think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna turn that off.
Yeah, that looks really good.
You know what I like about this is that the potato salad's warm, where a lot of potato salads are cold, and I think the texture is kind of weird on them. So I'm excited.
Ooh, that smells good.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Awesome.
Cool, I'll take one.
Is that yours?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
This is Dad's.
All right, so now for the moment of truth.
I'm gonna start with my potato salad.
I'm gonna start
Because that
with
would
my
be different.
chicken.
And also probably because you won't burn yourself as bad.
Yeah. That potato is really good. The texture is very nice. I can definitely taste the mustard. Not as much mayonnaise, but yes, definitely the mustard. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Chicken's so good. It's hot, And I really like the taste of the chili. I think it spread nicely over my chicken.
Yeah, it's good. The chicken came out very well. I like the potato salad. All right, so make again.
Yes.
Okay, tell me why.
I don't know. I mean, I'm just not a huge fan of like mustard or anything like that.
Okay.
So,
I like
and I
it
also
all.
don't like peppers.
Okay.
So the potato salad isn't my favorite, and I also haven't tried the chicken yet. It's probably really good, but
What about you,
I
Jen?
like it all.
Yeah.
I to make again.
Okay. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's good. I think it's fine. I think it's very nice looking. And I like dill and I like mustard, so I have no problem with this. The chicken is fine. I wouldn't say it's amazing. I'm also not a super skin person, so I'm not getting as much of the flavor of it. But overall, I'd say it was a good meal. Was it easy to make?
Yes.
Yeah, just time consuming.
yes, definitely there was a lot of cutting and stuff.
So it was good to have 4 people working on it instead of 1 or 2 because this would have taken a lot longer. All right, so this was plated brown sugar spiced chicken with roasted potato salad.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.